The financial world seems to have a bottomless hunger for cryptocurrencies, even though there is already a multitude of them. New projects seem to be finding success faster than the pioneers like Bitcoin did. The latest addition to the crypto space is Internet Computer, a cryptocurrency that quickly became popular and highly valuable. Just within a month of its debut, ICP shot into the top 10 to join ranks with mainstream coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. After 3 days of launching, ICP was already trading at $289 with a market value of $35.8 billion. One of the reasons why Internet Computer became popular so quickly is because of its unique model. The crypto is vastly different from the majority of what we are used to, making it not only unique but also in demand. But what exactly is Internet Computer, and why did it become popular so quickly? In this guide, we are going to go through some expert ICP price predictions in order to understand its future price movement and whether you should invest in it. What is Internet Computer? Internet Computer is an open-source cryptocurrency protocol for creating websites, apps, and a series of other web-based services. The project is developed by Dfinity and has the backing of high-profile venture capital firms like Polychain Capital and Andreessen Horowitz. According to its founders, Internet Computer aims to create a more decentralized version of the web and make it easier for people to create software without depending on hosting providers like Google and Amazon Web Services. So instead of hosting, say, your website on an Oz server, Internet Computer allows you to develop and host it on a network of computers around the world. Today's internet is controlled by a few major companies, which means that large amounts of data are entrusted to a few entities. Internet Computers tries to phase out this crisis by decentralizing web services. The Internet Computer Protocol boasts of limitless scalability potential, which means that it can host a large number of applications without crumbling. But how exactly does it work? Well, the project is built on its own protocol known as Internet Computer Protocol. This protocol combines the computing powers of a network of computer nodes to create a unified computing platform that can support a limitless number of applications. These include websites, DeFi projects, or even tokenized social media. Like most modern crypto projects, ICP uses smart contracts to automatically execute commands and seamlessly interact with end users. Read also, is Internet Computer a good investment and should I invest in ICP? Although Internet Computer has its roots a few years back, it was officially launched last month and quickly picked up momentum to become one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies. Although ICP saw a huge drop after jumping to its current all-time high, it seems to be recovering and might soon be on an uptrend. Already there are a number of technical developments to make the platform more efficient. Recently, DFI and ITY Foundation reported that it was launching an open-source ledger and governance toolkit known as Quill. The toolkit is intended to make ICP more secure and also help users conveniently manage their wallets. Apart from these technical advancements, ICP has also had a dramatic price movement in 2021. The token started trading around May and quickly went above $500 within the first few days. However, after the initial bull run, the price dropped and has encountered major resistance, leading to a majorly drudgy growth. Hopefully, according to several price analysts, the ICP price will look up again, especially if it comes across an effective catalyst. From the predictions we have seen, there is a good possibility that the token be trading at a much higher price by the end of 2021. To get a good picture of exactly where Internet Computer has come from, let's quickly review its price history. Internet Computer price history. ICP is a fourth-generation cryptocurrency that was launched merely 2 months ago. For this reason, we will not be looking at a long history of price data like we usually do with the more established cryptocurrencies. But even with its short stay in the market, Internet Computer has had an interesting price movement. ICP price predictions in 2021. As we mentioned, June has mostly been dull for Internet Computer. Following the persistent downtrend from May to date, most investors have lost interest, and price analysts seem to be giving price predictions bordering a bearish movement. We think ICP's timing was a bit off since it came at a time when the crypto market was concluding its late 2020 and early 2021 bull run. The bull run that started in September 2020 ended towards the end of May. That is why ICP had a huge first-day spike. Then just as quickly, the price bottomed out at below $50. The drop was mostly a result of investors panic selling their tokens towards the end of the market-wide bull run in late May and early June. According to several predictions, we might still see a slight rise this year, but a bull run is unlikely. And while some price analysts resort to sugarcoating their predictions to keep investor hopes alive, Long Forecast predicts a further slump in July. According to the site, ICP might end June at around $30, which is lower than the current price. In July, it will drop to $26, then further to $25 in August. However, it might rise again to $29 in September, $34 in October, and $39 in November. In December, Long Forecast predicts a slight drop to $36. As you can see, these numbers are soul-crushing, especially for investors who are hoping for a rebound. For these investors, Wallet Investor would usually offer a much-needed consolation. However, the site doesn't seem to be too enthusiastic about ICP as it predicts a huge drop to $11 at the start of July 2021. Wallet Investor believes that Internet Computer will mostly trade between $2 and $5 from July to the end of 2021. This is really disheartening for hodlers who bought ICP in the first days while the price was still high. While day traders might enjoy a few gains, the dormant price action predicted by Wallet Investor is not in their favor either. Although digital coin price is a tad more hopeful than Wallet Investor and Long Forecast, it still predicts a less than $60 price by the end of 2021. While this is a bit encouraging, it is still too low, and we hope that ICP does better than that. However, Trading Beast seems to agree with digital coin price as it also predicts ICP to be worth $55 by the end of 2021. Coin Price Forecast brings a grain of consolation with its $71 per token prediction for the end of 2021. This is the highest price we have seen, and based on it, ICP might even go above $100 by the end of the year. Internet Computer Price Predictions for 2022 to 2023. Most price analysts are still not enthusiastic about the future of Internet Computer ICP, even in 2022 or 2023. Wallet Investor, for instance, continues with its bearish prediction in 2022. The price analyst still believes that ICP will trade at the $2 level from January to early April 2022. In April, Internet Computer will go to $3, then resume $2 again at the end of the month. Then from May to the end of the year, the price will mostly bounce between $2 and $3. That means not going below $2 or to $4 for the rest of 2022. The predictions are even worse in 2023, where Wallet Investor predicts the price of Internet Computer to be between $1 and $2.99 throughout the year. Although Long Forecast doesn't see much growth in 2022, it brings a fresh breath of relief from Wallet Investor's disappointing predictions. The site starts off 2022 at $37.90, followed by a linear uptrend to $54 by May. The Internet Computer token will then start dropping with minor fluctuations along the way to close the year at $36.61. According to Long Forecast, 2023 will be much more hopeful. Although the 2022 downtrend might continue until February 2023, the price will start looking up again in March and go as high as $63 by August. There will then be another drop, bringing ICP to $48.62 by the end of 2023.